My name is Brent from Majestic Plumbing, and I'm the Commercial Division Supervisor. We specialise in large construction jobs, commercial maintenance, residential maintenance, all aspects of the plumbing industry. We recently had an opportunity to be involved in a large meat processing factory in Malaga. There's a large stormwater system, trade waste system, pump stations. So we found Coerco, we're quite local. We've done a lot of jobs before in the past with large cell systems in the ground, and we found like the install time of cell systems can be quite time consuming. Coerco's system seemed very good to put together and quite fast and quite sturdy. So the way it goes together, actually you can build it in the trench rather than having to build it outside the trench and put the cells in place. It all locks together in situ and clicks together very easy. Very strong, very sturdy system. The durability was amazing. Like, it's very high quality, and the load rating definitely stands up to what it's known for. Our experience with Coerco was fantastic. Customer service is second to none. Very friendly bunch, easy to get along with. Call them anytime, any questions we need, easily answered. The products were readily available, lead times were great. The fact that they're so versatile, can be used in residential, commercial, everywhere, it's a great product. Our core values were definitely on the same page as Coerco's. In our industry, it's very important to look at better systems for the environment and for the future.